Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about the wcoin wallet connection. Okay, that's the question I have been receiving since, and that's why I'm making this video to briefly answer you guys those questions you have been asking concerning the wallet connection of this year's coin airdrop. Okay, now previously I made video explaining everything concerning this year's coin and how to get started, and the rest of them I explained everything in full. But it seemed like I did not include the wallet connection in that particular video, and that's why I'm making this video to revert to you guys what you should know. Okay, now when you register on this wcoin, you tap to earn. Okay, and you also invite friends to earn, and it doesn't end there. You also do task to earn. This wcoin is rewarding. Their rewarding system is massive, and I would like all of you watching this video to make sure that you sign up after watching this video. If you have not yet signed up, I'll be leaving the registration link at the description section of this video. Locate the registration link there, use it to sign up. But before you do that, make sure you have Telegram installed on your phone. If you don't have Telegram, go to Play Store or Apple Store and then have Telegram installed on your phone before you will gain access to it. Okay, now when you click on the link and you're done signing up, you will discover that there is a place here, wallet. When you click on it, you see this place here, connect wallet, but when you click on it, it is not clickable. Okay, it is not clickable, which means that you will not be able to connect this wallet at this moment. Okay, the reason is this: during wcoin introduction, they made it clear that the connection of the wallet will not be available at this moment, which means it will remain unavailable till further notice. That they want their users to choose either where they should list, either Solana or Ton or Ethereum. So that is what they say that members or users should choose. When you click on setting, you see that you have a blockchain. Where do you think the wcoin will be listing? Is it on Solana blockchain or Ethereum blockchain or Ton blockchain? So all you need to do, you can see that you can only change your mining blockchain once. You can only select once. Okay, so you can see that I have selected Solana, so that is where I think they will be listing. Or probably they may list in all the blockchain. They may list in Ethereum, they may list in Ton, or even on Solana. So we can't really tell at this point, but that is what they said on the Telegram community. And even when you join the group, you will discover that this same thing I'm saying here, it is what you will see there. So that is the reason why you should not bother yourself about wallet connection at this point. So what matters now is you accumulating the tokens, as many as you can. So if you check my account, you discover that I've accumulated about 22 million tokens, which is 22 million tokens now, and I will not know the equivalent. We will know the equivalent when they officially list on the blockchains. Okay, they may list on all the blockchains, and they may list on just one. So we don't know yet. So for those of you having issues with the wallet connection, you should remove your mind from there for now. What you should focus on is tapping to earn. Okay, tapping to earn, or inviting your friends, or staking. You can also stake. You are allowed to stake only 3 times. Okay, you can say that I've reached the limit. So that is it. You can stake to earn, and you can also do task. They have daily tasks. You can say this one, visit every day. So I have to claim. I've just claimed this one now. So that is it, guys. So take this update very, very serious. How many of you knows about Paran? Paran get listed today, and a lot of people made thousands from there. The highest earner made about $40,000, which is equivalent to, let's say, 50 million plus or 60 million safe. So that is what someone gets paid online, just doing what? Participating in airdrop. So that is why whenever I'm releasing all this airdrop update, I'm always advising my viewers to make sure you are participating. One thing you should know about airdrop: it does not require you to register with any money. It's totally free. So if you can do it, you do it. But I always say, do it at your convenient time. And however, don't put your mind 100%, because it might disappoint and it may still deliver. So that is the reason why you should do it at your convenient time. If you are tapping, you tap smartly, which means do it at your convenient time. Don't use all your time, don't waste all your energy in airdrop, because you don't know which one will deliver. There are a lot of them out there: Hamster, Combat, tap swap, so many of them that I can't even mention in this video. So what you should do is just make sure you are doing them at your convenient time, so that at the end of the day, even if they did not deliver, you will move on with your life. So that's just it. But we pray that they will deliver. That's just it. If you have not yet registered, the registration link of wcoin, I'll be leaving it at the description section of this video. Locate it there and use it to register. And I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link at the description section of this video as well, so you can join our WhatsApp group for more business updates and latest news from wcoin and the rest of them. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice, I would like you to also subscribe to this channel. What I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every blessed day on how to make money online with your smartphone and other video tutorials. So for you not to miss out any of those updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell, so that to be among the first people to be notified. And don't forget that there's love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, use the share button to spread this video across the social media platform, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.